Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to PlanGrid for punch list management, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the PlanGrid website in your web browser. Locate the Get Started or Sign Up button on the home page. Click on the Get Started or Sign Up button. Fill in the required information in the sign up form. Provide your email address. Choose a secure password for your account. Select your role in the construction industry from the drop-down menu. Enter your company name. Add your phone number for account verification. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms, if required. Click the Create Account or Sign Up button to proceed. You will receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the email and follow the verification link provided. After verifying your email, return to the PlanGrid website. Log into your account using the email and password you created. Once logged in, navigate to the PlanGrid dashboard. Look for the option to start a new project. Click on New Project to initiate your punch list management process. Fill in the project details like project name, location, and description. Select the appropriate settings for your project, such as privacy options. After entering all necessary information, click on Create Project. You will now have access to your project dashboard. To create a punch list, locate the punch list feature in the menu. Click on Punch List to get started. Add items to your punch list by providing details like description and due date. Assign team members to each item for accountability. Review and update your punch list regularly to track progress. Utilize PlanGrid's collaboration tools to communicate with your team. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.